Hello, my name is Shani Raja and I'd like to welcome you into the world of elite writing. Elite writing is the world where you are able to superpower and supercharge your writing so that it stands out massively from your competitors and your peers. And I'm here to teach you how to do that. Now, my own background is as a journalist, an editor and a reporter for some of the world's top newspapers, and I also train journalists in some of these places to improve their writing skills. So you're really going to get some advanced tactics and principles that are going to help you stand out from the crowd. Now, in this course, I am going to lay out the basic framework for improving your writing, and this basically boils down to what I call the secret sauce of great writing. The secret sauce of great writing comes down to three main ingredients, and these are the ingredients I'm going to teach you in this course. The first of those ingredients is simplicity, and that's the ability to convey your ideas using simple language as possible. The second component is clarity. Clarity is where you're able to express your ideas without ambiguity and where the person who's reading is going to understand what you're saying instantly and immediately. And finally, elegance. The concept of elegance is where you are going to be able to write in a way that is beautiful and which is harmonic and actually makes people feel like they are experiencing something very wonderful in the process of reading what you've written. So that's what you're going to learn in this course. This is the start of a journey that I hope you're going to really enjoy and take away a lot from. So please come inside and let's start the course.